Wait, let me first check his tweet. It's like the fastest source of information, yeah. Well, इस instant दुनिया में anything can become trending और viral, वो भी in just seconds. जहाँ social media हम चाहे या ना चाहे has become an important part of our lives and we can't really deny that. Cha, remember back in February, जब famous pop singer Rihanna took the world's largest democracy by surprise when she tweeted about the ongoing farmers' protest? Remember that? Her tweet said, "Why aren't we talking about this?" And उस single tweet की बात करें तो that has been liked more than 4 lakh times and retweeted about 2 lakh times. And वो hashtag farmers protest had become one of the most trending hashtag then. Hello, I am Resham and you're watching DNP India. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do that. And do not forget to share this video as well as the other videos on our channel. तो थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ते हैं और मैं आपको कुछ फैक्ट्स बताती हूँ इस पर्टिकुलर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, ट्विटर के बारे में और क्या. So did you know that there are 330 million active users and 145 million daily users? जहाँ 391 million accounts have no followers at all. And yes, there are 500 million tweets sent each day. That's like 6,000 tweets every second. The most retweeted tweet, one from a Japanese billionaire offering cash prizes. Please have a look at this. वेल डोंट वरी, मैं आपको ट्विटर की हिस्ट्री और स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं बता रही हूँ, डोंट वरी, पर इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेगमेंट वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू क्विकली टेल यू अबाउट द टॉप 5, टॉप 10, टॉप 12 मोस्ट फॉलोड पीपल ऑन ट्विटर और जो ट्विटर पे पर्सनैलिटीज जिनके सबसे ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं. जी हाँ, and trust me, you will be really amazed and surprised to know about some of these names in the list. So let's jump in. So starting from the end, on number 12 is भारत के प्रधानमंत्री, the Prime Minister of India, नरेंद्र मोदी. जी हाँ, ये 2009 से ट्विटर से जुड़े हैं and have been an avid Twitter user. अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पे he campaigns for his party, talks about issues affecting India and tweets about diplomacy between the country and other. And हाँ, he has about 65.7 million followers. Well done! On number 11 is Kim Kardashian with 69.8 million followers. The world famous businesswoman and TV personality has a huge following on not just Twitter but Instagram as well. And not to deny, she is also the 4th most influential woman on Twitter. And अपने अकाउंट को ये promotional purposes के लिए ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, like talking about her beauty brand, the company, Skims and whatnot. So on number 10 is YouTube with 73.2 million followers and actually ahead of Twitter's own account. Yes, ये I believe Twitter पे one of the most successful account है and the content it posts is obviously very straightforward, जिसमें they post links to videos and short clips और बहुत ही normal and straightforward content है and that's it. So on number 9 is Ellen DeGeneres with 79 million followers. She is the host of a very popular talk show, The Ellen Show, and her huge viewing figures have made her a hit on Twitter too. Well, अगर उनके content की बात करें तो technically her account is for her show, so pretty much all tweets are pictures and clips that help promote her show only. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Coming to number 8 is Ariana Grande with 83.2 million followers, where she has rarely been away from the headlines with the release of her song Thank You Next kicking up a storm on Twitter. No one will be shocked to see her on the list, right? And ये mostly personal information and promotional tweets ही करती हैं, nothing more beyond that. So coming to number 7 is Lady Gaga with 84.2 million followers, and not only that, ये Twitter की 3rd most influential lady भी है. After a huge success in music and acting, her followers include Oprah Winfrey and Taylor Swift. And इनके account पे you will mostly find updates on her music and acting along with the activities of her Born This Way Foundation. A very good way to interact with her audience. Now on number 6 is my favorite, Taylor Swift with 88.9 million followers. Well, being one of the biggest pop stars on the planet not only brings you fame and fortune but Twitter followers too. जहाँ ये मोस्ट इन्फ्लुएंशियल पर्सन ऑन ट्विटर भी हैं. एंड यू नो द बिगेस्ट थिंग, ये कोई इतना ट्वीट भी नहीं करती हैं. शी इज़ नॉट रियली एक्टिव ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. येस, but those are some of the perks associated from being such a big star, don't you think so? Coming to number 5 is Cristiano Ronaldo with 92 million followers, the only sports personality on this list. Ronaldo is the best soccer player on the planet and is in the 5th position. His account is pretty consistent, with his recent tweets mostly being pictures of him, his family, simply hanging out, having a gala time and whatnot. So number 4 in the list, crossing that 100 million mark with about 102.7 million followers, is Rihanna. Another musician in the list, nice, with some of her Amber super hit songs and her Fenty business doing amazing, she has managed to grow a huge following on Twitter. Yes, Rihanna's Twitter account has the usual promotional stuff, but also includes some personal tweets. Keep a note on that, such as shoutouts to collaborate and political posts and farmer protest, जो अभी मैंने beginning में बोला था, अभी starting में तो उसके बारे में I mentioned about it. So those were the political posts. So number 3 is again a pop star with 110 million followers. It's Katy Perry, followed by all the 4 members of One Direction, where Katy uses Twitter to post her own thoughts and personal messages rather than flooding the feed with promotional tweets, and that's probably one of the main reasons for such a high count. That's something I believe in. Number 2 with 114.4 million followers is Justin Bieber. Since the famous track Baby Baby in 2010, he has remained in the limelight for quite some time. Not to miss, he is the 7th most influential man on Twitter, and Inka content is less promotional compared to that of others, and often posts random thoughts and the type of content that any other Twitter users might post. So that's something that makes him stand out. So now coming to number 1, and the number 1 is the number 1 most followed Twitter account is, बहुत हो गया suspense, it's the 2-time president of the United States of America, Barack Obama, with 130.3 million followers. Obama's account has already made headlines in 2019 with his positive New Year's message of hope for the future, and that was further compared to Trump's all capitals rant about the media just a few hours earlier. And yeah, his content is mostly about other activities, such as his work being done by the Obama Foundation, and not so political, trust me. So firstly, congratulations and a big thumbs up to Mr. Obama for having the most number of followers on Twitter. So that was all for today's segment. Are you satisfied and content with this list? Yeah, you had different names in your mind. Do give your opinions, viewpoints and insights on this particular topic, and give your insights in the comment box below. Keep watching DNP India.